What's up guys, it's Sam with Rescue Wrangler back here again. We're going to do a little bit of a different video today. We're going to do a walk around of the Jeep, the full build reveal. You guys have been waiting for this. It's supposed to be up last week. It was Christmas, I'm sorry. It is freezing out here. It's been flurrying for the last few minutes. I've been waiting to get out of the Jeep. Let's do it before I freeze my butt off. Okay, it really is freezing out here. It was like 65 or 70 degrees yesterday, and today it's 35. It's miserable. Don't move to Cincinnati, it sucks. All right, we're up to the front of the Jeep. We've changed a few things around. We got rid of our Poison Spider bumper, and we went with this Go Rhino bumper. It's pretty neat here, if I can make my hands work. It's got a drawer we can add trail, like recovery gear, anything we needed there. It also locks with your Jeep key, which I think is pretty neat. Go check those guys out. My hands don't work. We kept our Warn Xeon 10S winch. The only thing we changed, we went with the Nightline Warn winch, glows in the dark, or reflects in the dark, I should say. We added Phoenix AI cubes. These are their AI cubes that match my AI bar up top. They go from spot to flood. They're dimmable and they're pretty neat. I did a video on those. Go check that out. I'll link it. One of these corners. It is freezing. I'm telling you, it's freezing. All right. We kept our Factor 55. We remounted our RIP supercharger. Same headlights, but those are going to change. We are missing our fog lights right now. Those were supposed to be in, but they have not come in yet. So we are waiting on fog lights and new headlights to come in. All right, let's move on to the next spot. Front axle. We went with the new 1-ton TerraFlex 60 axle. We also went with the upgraded PSC big bore kit. All the new steering components. What else is new up here? New couple coolers, intercoolers, transmission cooler, I believe. On those beautiful 1-tons we got, we went with 40-inch Nitto trail grapplers. They are 40 by 17 by 13 and a half. We wrapped the KMC machetes with those big giant 40s. I love them. We went with a custom powder coat here. We went with that neon green color that matches my Rock Hard 4x4 cage that we have inside. Red, custom powder coated lug nuts. Pretty sweet. Moving on back a little bit, one thing right here, we added the Rock Slide Engineer armor, powder coated in red. And if you look a little bit further underneath there, we added long arms, the Evo long arm high clearance kit. I can tell you it rides way different than it did before. Moving on back, we went with the Evo corner armor, as well as the Evo tire carrier, as well as the Evo rear fascia. We like Evo in this build. New taillights. We got rid of the JW Speaker square taillights. We went with the rounded ones. All new powder coat, all fresh, everything. I love it. We literally kept fenders up is basically all we kept, except for these few little things. Everything else, brand new. I like it. Rear axle, Terra 60 as well. We went with the wide version on these with the 538 gears, ARB lockers. I'm so excited about this build. Save the best for last. You see we upgraded from the 3-inch Synergy springs to the 4-inch Evo springs. Real exciting, right guys? But that's not it. We, not smash my phone. We're only gonna have these Evo springs for about another month. And then we're going to the Rebel Off-Road dual shock system, external bypass, coilover with reservoirs, recon kit. We're doing that in the front and then the 14-inch recon kit in the back, coilover kit. So that's coming soon. That is hopefully going to be at the end of January install. I'm hoping. We'll see how it goes. Oh, it's so windy and cold. So we're hoping that right there. And then, let's see, we got some shows coming up. Make sure you guys come to see us. Cavalcade in Cincinnati, that is January 10th through the 12th. Dayton Off-Road Expo, that's the last weekend, I think February 29th and March 1st in Wilmington. Possibly going to Jeep Beach, a couple other things going on. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, share this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a very happy New Year. We will see you guys in 2020. I'm out.